Here, this thing may come off in layers. It really, you can see, I don't know if you can get underneath here, all of that is just not even attached. Hey everybody, it's Dr. Nicole Freels. I have another Ramshorn nail for you. Come in and take a peek. We're getting ready to numb it up. As you can see, it's kind of just dipping off to the left, and she is done with this nail. So we are gonna get rid of it once and for all. So we're gonna feel a little cold spray here. Nice and still. Quick little stick. Let me know if you need anything. There we go. If I need to stop, not a problem. So once we're nice and numb, typically, you don't feel any sharp pain. It's really just pressure. And a lot of people say it's just that feeling, that medicine going in there that is annoying. And if you've ever had any dental procedures, it's very, very similar. Okay. Getting you numb. You're doing great. Get a little more on this side. We want to make sure the whole thing's numb. And for those at home that try to do bathroom surgery, I mean, I applaud you. However, half the time, you can't get deep enough and you leave me to clean up all the mess. All right, if you don't mind to put this off the side of the table, and we're gonna get one more. And then they're gonna come in and set up for me, and then we're gonna remove the nail and put some medication on there so it doesn't come back. You're doing good. Take a deep breath for me. All right, here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and check it, make sure you don't feel anything. Pressure and kind of just some movement is normal. Don't watch me, nothing.
I'm not watching.
Good, how about here? Good. Nice and numb. Got a little tourniquet on here. This thing may come off in layers. It really, you can see, I don't know if you can get underneath here, all of that is just not even attached. So let's get this loosened up. Back here. Yeah, because if you don't loosen this part, it really, when you try to remove it, it's just like you're wrestling with the thing. Now, how long has this been kind of developing?
Probably for about, well, I really didn't pay attention until it really started hurting, to it.
Yeah.
And I really don't know how I done it. So.
Actually, last fall, she said, my toe was getting funky looking.
You remember. Yeah, and it just kind of continues unless you get treatment. So if you have trauma to the nail, it's really hanging on that edge, isn't it? If you have trauma to the nail, I always recommend a preventative, antifungal as well as thinning agent. We use a lot of repair around here. That's a 4-in-1 kind of total nail renewal. So it helps with not only fungus, it has 2 antifungals. It has lactic acid, which is a lightening agent. And then lastly, urea. You come on. I end up into my instruments. There we go. So you can see this really just embeds into the skin.
Wow.
The bottom here, all of that. See, that wasn't even attached. Ooh, and I definitely bent the instruments. Check that out. So let's go ahead and check everything out. If you don't clean up that nail bed like this, that is going to just be kind of dead, callousy skin, a little bit of fungus in there. Got that cleaned up. Well, let's get you wrapped up. Oh, I forgot we're doing the permanent. So this is the medicine so it does not come back. Okay. Oh, we killed music. Sorry about that, guys. I know. If I play music in the back, it's
It's fine.
turn off the music. So yeah, so you know what to do. This should take about 2 to 3 weeks to heal.
Okay.
And then we'll give you a call. Make sure everything's okay. But of course, please call me if you have any concerns.
Okay.
There's usually only about a 5% chance that can come back. So with that being said, that typically occurs with some type of trauma, a dog or a kid steps on it accidentally, or infection, and you don't have any infection. So that's good news. Just want to get all that area of the root or the matrix of the nail, which is what's underneath the cuticle that produces the nail. If you have this type of nail, permanent removal is not your only option. Laser therapy will also help traumatic nails and fungal nails and things like that. For one nail, it only takes about 5 to 10 minutes. It doesn't hurt, it's not invasive or anything like that. It does take a year for the nail to completely grow out. All right, let's get this all cleaned up and wrapped up. And we'll let you sit here for just a minute to make sure there's no bleeding or anything like that. But
Okay.
is that okay?
Yeah.
Did you do all right? Good.
Oh, that didn't
I know. It actually took longer than normal. Go ahead and wrap this up. Take some of this. So definitely leave this in place until this evening when you do your dressing change.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, that's gonna go ahead and put that last one on so I don't get it wet. Thank you. And then we will get you guys on your way.
I know that's definitely gonna be a big difference because
Oh, yeah.
I'm up on my feet 8 hours a day at work. I
Oh.
go up 3 flights of steps every day.
Oh, good grief.
I work
Okay. Yeah.
And
Oh,
cleaning.
yeah.
and
Alright,
so I'm on my feet constantly.
Well, this is definitely taken care of now. You don't have to worry about it anymore.
Good.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something today. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.